Hi Korean learners, welcome back to 4 Minute Korean. My name is Ed Kot and this is lesson 1B. Same as last lesson, we'll have 3 new words and 1 grammar, and we'll practice together what we learned today. Let's start with today's vocab. Please pause the video if you need to practice more. 친구, 친구, friend. 학생, 학생, student. 선생님, 선생님, teacher. Today's grammar will be based on the grammar that we learned last lesson. So if you haven't watched it, please watch lesson 1A first. Last lesson, we learned subject particle, 는, 은, and be verb, 입니다. So here is a sample sentence. 저는 민호입니다. 저는 민호입니다. I am Minho. Here is another sentence. 민호는 친구입니다. 민호는 친구입니다. We learned this word 친구 today, which is friend. So it means Minho is friend. Today, we'll learn how to change this to a question. How do we do it in English? In English, we change is and Minho. So instead of Minho is my friend, or Minho is friend, we change it to is Minho your friend? Is Minho friend? In Korean, we simply change the ending from da to 가. So from 민호는 친구입니다. It becomes 민호는 친구입니까? Is Minho your friend? Let's do another example. 아빠는 토니입니다. 아빠는 토니입니다. Dad is Tony. Again, we need to add 가 instead of 다. So the sentence becomes 아빠는 토니입니까? 아빠는 토니입니까? Is that Tony? Is your dad Tony? Now, let's learn how to answer questions. In Korean, yes is 네. 네. No is 아니요. 아니요. So, if we answer the previous question, 아빠는 토니입니까? Is your dad Tony? The answer could be 네, 아빠는 토니입니다. Yes, that is Tony. 오, 아니요, 아빠는 마크입니다. No, that is Mark. Let's do one more. 엄마는 선생님입니까? 엄마는 선생님입니까? Is your mom a teacher? 네, 엄마는 선생님입니다. Yes, mom is a teacher. 오, 아니요, 엄마는 셰프입니다. No, mom is a chef. As we already reached 4 minutes, I will make a separate video for the Let's Practice section. So please click the link below to practice more. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.